Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to lock image plane. So as example, we'll go to the front view. You can press space button and then click on the front view, press space button again to move to the front view. Now I will create for the image planes in this view. You can go to view menu, click on image plane and we can use import image. So we'll use the example image, click open and it will be show in the front view. Now you can press again space button. I will move to perspective view. And if you want to lock these image plans, okay, you can click move here. It will be unlocked. And if you want to lock, you can go to the layer editor in here. And then you can select in image plans all here. Right click and then you can choose lock selected. So if you move the objects, it be automatically locked. To open again, you can right click in it and then you can click unlock selected. So it will be unlocked, and to lock you can right click, go to lock selected. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to lock image plane.